Hello and welcome to UDISE Plus. In today's video, we will learn about the school certification process in Profile and Facility module. First, log in using your user ID and password. After logging in, select the data capture option and scroll down the dashboard page. Click on the school certification button. Please note, all forms must be completed before starting the certification process. Now, tick the declaration checkbox, enter your remarks, and click the certify button. A confirmation message will appear. Click on the confirm button. Your school has now been certified successfully. Please note, if the user modifies any detail in any DCF form, the school will be automatically decertified. In this case, the user must complete the certification process again. If you face any issues during the process, please contact your technical team or MIS officer. Stay connected with us for more tutorial videos on UDISE Plus. Thank you.